Imagine carrying a permanent scar from your past mistakes, a visible reminder etched right on your face that screams louder than any words ever could. That's the raw reality for Paris Jackson, who's bravely opening up about how her history with drugs left her with a hole in her nose. And trust me, this isn't just a casual chat. It's a cautionary tale that hits home for many, urging us to dig deeper into the dangers of substance abuse. But here's where it gets controversial. Is sharing such personal struggles a powerful act of prevention, or does it unfairly sensationalize celebrity confessions? Stick around to explore this eye-opening revelation, and you might just see why her story resonates on a whole new level. Paris Jackson, the beloved daughter of the late music icon Michael Jackson, took to social media recently to shed light on a deeply personal consequence of her earlier battles with drug addiction. She revealed that she lives with a perforated septum, a medical condition where a hole develops in the cartilage separating the two nostrils. For those new to this, think of your nose's inner structure like a wall that keeps everything in balance. When drugs like cocaine are snorted repeatedly, they can cause severe irritation and damage, leading to this perforation. It's not uncommon in cases of substance abuse, and it can result in symptoms like chronic nosebleeds, difficulty breathing, or even infections. Paris didn't mince words. She attributed it straight to her drug use, adding a straightforward warning to young people. Don't do drugs, kids. It's a simple yet potent message, backed by her own experiences, serving as a stark example of how seemingly harmless choices can lead to lasting physical harm. Delving into the timeline, Paris shared that this damage occurred around the age of 20, and now at 27 she's been dealing with it for years. To illustrate just how significant the gap is, she humorously yet poignantly mentioned that it's large enough to thread a spaghetti noodle through from one side to the other. That's not just a quirky detail, it's a tangible way to grasp the extent of the issue, showing how invasive and noticeable such injuries can be in everyday life. Imagine trying to blow your nose or enjoy a meal without that constant reminder. It's a daily challenge that many might overlook in the glare of celebrity, and this is the part most people miss. Paris has made a conscious choice against corrective surgery. Why? Because the procedure often involves strong pain medications, and after her sobriety journey, she's adamant about steering clear of anything that could tempt a relapse. "I don't want to fuck with that," she said, emphasizing her commitment to staying clean. It's a bold stance that highlights the complexities of recovery, not just quitting drugs, but navigating the aftermath without falling back into old habits. In January, she proudly announced on Instagram that she had reached 5 years of sobriety, a milestone that underscores her resilience and growth. This revelation isn't without its debates. On one hand, critics might argue that public figures like Paris have a platform to influence positively, using their stories to deter others from similar paths. But here's where it sparks controversy. Some might see this as exploiting personal trauma for attention in an era obsessed with celebrity meltdowns. Is it genuinely helpful, or does it risk glamorizing the rock-bottom narrative? Moreover, in a world where drug education is often brushed aside, should we celebrate such openness, or question if it's enough to truly change behaviors? Paris's experience also raises questions about the long-term effects of drug use on the body. Beyond the obvious health risks, how do these permanent changes affect mental well-being and self-image? What do you think? Does Paris Jackson's honesty empower others in their own struggles, or is it just another tabloid tale? Do you agree that avoiding surgery due to addiction fears is a smart choice, or should she prioritize fixing the physical damage? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss and learn together. After all, stories like this remind us that recovery is multifaceted, and everyone's journey is unique.